Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tech Tips, and I'll be showing you a tutorial on Google Slides. Before we get to this, please like and subscribe, and in the comments, please give me more ideas on videos to do. So, the first step to making the design that I had made is creating a Google Slide. So, for that, I have to go on this waffle icon and go to Slides, blank presentation, and label the presentation. Boom. So the first step to make the slideshow look good is changing two features, the layout and the theme. So the layout originally was this, the title slide, but I want it to be the classic title and body layout. This layout has a text box positioned here and a text box positioned here. You can change the fonts later, but now let's change the theme. The theme gives the slideshow a good look and feel. The theme I'm going to use is Spearmint, which is really good. Don't be fooled by the look over here. That's just the look for the title slide. So if I create a new slide, change the layout to title slide, it look like this. So this are the two features you'll need to know before we go on. Now let's get on to the final step, the design step. First, I will need to enter my the text I need. So first I'll do Control Shift E, which is centering my text, and I'll type in my animal's name, the wolf. Next, I will apply border. Click this pen icon over here and make the border like this. Right now, I want to change the font to Lexend. Same for this, Lexend. And I will move this text box over here. I'll go to Google and search up wolf description, go to Wikipedia, and copy the first paragraph, paste it in here. Actually, do Control Shift V. Perfect. Now I will change this text to black and I'll start inserting images. So first I'll go to Insert Image, search the web, wolf, and I'll use this image. But I don't like the crop of this image, so I will make it a perfect square, or at least close to perfect. Now I will go to this icon, crop images, click the down arrow key, shapes, and circle. Now that I've made it a circle, I'll increase its size, move it over here, and boom, there goes that. I will switch its border to white, change the border width to 4. I will go to this icon shapes, insert an actual circle, click the shift key while doing this, and create a circle. Um, I will make its fill transparent, 4px black, and I will make it so that it overlaps with the circle on this. So not a perfect overlap, but I can pull this down to make it overlap. Now I'll group these two together. Oh, actually, I can't because both of them are overlapping, so it'll work out fine. But I actually have to add an image, one more image for the background. Now you can ideally use this, but that's not the kind I'm looking for. I'd go to images again, search the web, wolf howling, like this. I will put this full screen and I'll click right click order and send to back. When I do this, I'll go to format options, adjustments, and turn down the opacity. This is what it'll look like. I'll turn down the opacity. Actually, I'll send order this, send backward. I'll use this. I'll adjust the opacity to this. And there you have it, the design slideshow. Oh, I didn't move it till here. Yes, the design slideshow. And if we put ourselves in slideshow mode, this is what it'll look like. Thank you for watching the video. And once again, please like and